Hello, everybody out there, viewers and subscribers and whatever. Today, we're going to be looking at something really different. I've been testing out for the last couple days from Temu. I always say Temu, or however you want to say it. But I went and decided to get different microphones because I wanted to try something out that's new. So, what I got was this, the wireless microphone right here from Temu. Okay, and as you can see, it's a wireless microphone. I've already unboxed it. Basically, the unboxing's like this. It came with a cord, a power cord. Didn't come with a power box, but it came with a power cord, and it came with some instruction manuals. They do have English side and Japanese side, or Chinese side. So you can see it right here. It has a little dongle that plugs into your PC. It's a USB Type-C, and it comes with two microphones. You can make your choice when you order it from Temu if you want one microphone or two. But I got the ones with two microphones because this I got on a penny sale, and it was a really good sale, and I got it for $3 on shipping. So as we can see, it looks like a nice little microphone. And as you can see, I got one on and I'm talking on it right now. Hello, 1, 2. So as you can see, the clarity, if you go back on my other videos from back about, let's say, 4 or 5 days ago, I was using my other microphone, which was my good old trusty 12-year-old microphone right here, this Logitech microphone. So I've been cracking this for a long time. So I figured I wanted to try something different, and I did. So I went and got me one of these. So if you're wondering if you can get these microphones for a good sale, you can over there on Temu. So go check them out at temu.com and see what they're about. But this is just a video that I'm doing for Temu because they want a review. I'm doing a review for them. It's sort of an unboxing kind of review, but next time when I go to review some products, I'm just going to leave everything in the box and then take everything out. But so far, it comes with the charging cord. It does not need batteries. It's got built-in battery. It's got built-in adjustments. I could look at this and tell you it's got a volume up. It's got a volume up. Here, let me take this off my shirt. It's got a volume up and a volume down for the microphone. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if the volume down works. You guys hear me clicking. I want to see if the microphone will adjust all the way down. Obviously, the volume up and the volume down button doesn't work. But the microphone does work, obviously, and it's got its own dongle, so basically it's a direct connection. It's got, I would imagine, a headphone plug-in right here that you can plug into it to put an earpiece in if you like. It's got a charging port here for USB Type-C, and the cord is all USB Type-C. So if you're wondering if it's a good deal or not, even though the button doesn't, this might be, and I'm probably looking at this wrong, this is probably for the headphones to turn the volume up and the volume down on the headphones. It's probably for that too. But if you're looking for a good microphone, this one is really good. I've seen many reviewers using these, and I was wondering where they got them from. And believe it or not, I got my hands on a couple. So at least if one battery goes dead, I've already had this on live streams, a couple live streams for a couple hours, and has not lost battery life. So I'm very impressed with that. I'm testing right now to see how long the battery life is going to go before it actually decides to, discharge. But as far as I can see right now, it doesn't take long to charge them. It only took me about maybe an hour to charge them up. And, I got a couple hours out of them. So I'm very impressed. So Temu, you did a great job on this one. I can recommend this to everybody and all my viewers in the land that's on JJ's PC Builds. So, but guys, until the next time, in the next place. Well, no, I should do this right. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Don't forget about the notification bell so you know when I post the next video. And until the next time and the next Temu adventure, you know what it is, and we'll see you on the next one.